Hi, this is a quick recording based on V1 of this pass rendering tool. There's still some bugs I'm trying to figure out how to fix and try to make it as automated as possible. But for now, just please be patient and do this. But I'll just walk through how we do it again from scratch. Drag this guy in. This render pass options 2 asset, and then in default, just select your camera, and then your main subjects that you want to render out. In this case, it would be the knight and his sword. And then if you have an open pose in the scene with the character, like there, also be sure to, where's the thing? Also be sure to add this guy as well. Next thing you have to do, and this is the annoying bug thing for now, you can press play to see the debug view of the depth and everything. For now, and I'll try to fix this as soon as possible, any value that you enter here, try to remember them because it was still okay before, but right now it's not remembering it for whatever reason. So whatever you set these to, you just have to just type it in again when you're done. But yeah, that's this part and everything I told you earlier too. And then go here, click the render button. By default, it will look like this. This is the view we always see. Click this drop down and click replace with graph. Oops, not this one. You have to replace with graph. Choose RG pass export no mask. And it says no mask because in order to get like individual masks out too, we'll have to do some Python scripting to automate the whole thing. But for now, this is fine. Main subjects, put in your actors in here. Open pose, put your skeleton. You have to click in and find your open pose guy and put it in here. And for this BG collection, any subject that you have put into either of these collections, also put in this condition group 2 over here. So you see Zac2, open pose, and sword. That's what's in here. And then you don't have to change any these other things. The one thing you do have to change finally is this folder, which is just give it an output directory, right? So I'm just gonna delete that directory, and after that, you're basically done. Just click render. Okay, so it finished rendering, and then when that's done, it should look something like this, right? Like everything you need is kind of more or less in the scene, including the open pose. And to make it an MP4, I have this script right here. All you have to do is copy it and paste it into whatever folder you have all your things in. And you have to make sure your computer has Python too. But all you have to do then is go into that directory and type and run the script, right? So Python convert sequences.py. And then it'll take a second, but it will convert all those PNG, JPEGs, I guess in this case, the image sequence into this output folder. There you go. And that's V1 of this tool. And let me know if you guys run into any issues.